Bali is an Indonesian island known for its forested volcanic mountains, iconic rice paddies, beaches, and coral reefs. Bali is the most popular island holiday destination in Indonesia. Bali is also known as Land of the Gods. So if you are planning for Bali trip, then you have come to the right place. Today in this video, I will guide you with 6 nights 7 days tour plan for Bali, along with flight details, hotel details, visa procedure, best season, food cost, hotel cost, Bali currency and day-wise tour plan. So before we proceed with the entire tour guide, please subscribe my channel to get more videos like this. You can reach Bali from any part of the country. You can avail flights from any metro cities of India. On an average, flight cost will be 10 to 12,000 per person for both sides. And flight fare will be cheaper from New Delhi, so try to board from there. Indian tourists do not require any visa to travel Bali up to 30 days. You just need to get a visa exemption stamp from the immigration counter. You don't have to pay anything extra for the visa. Best season to visit Bali is April to October. If you want to visit in least crowded month, then visit between December to February. You will get both budget-friendly hotel as well as resort to stay in Bali. Now it's up to you where you will be staying. As this is a budget tour plan, I have mentioned some low-budget hotels for overnight stay in the description box, which will cost between 600 to 1000 rupees per night. Currency of Indonesia is rupiah and the code is IDR. 1 IDR equal to 0.0051 INR. You can get the currency exchange done from India or Bali airport. Food cost is average in Bali. Based on the spending habits, it will be 103,362 per person for 3-meal course, which will be around 500 rupees per person. Day 1. On arrival at Bali airport, book a cab to reach your hotel. Quickly get fresh and by 3 PM start your first day tour. Today you have Uluwatu Sunset Tour in your itinerary. Start with Uluwatu Temple. This is one of the 9 key directional temples almost 7 meters above sea level. Then watch the Kikat dance performance there. And by evening enjoy the seafood dinner at Jimbaran beach. Then back to hotel and overnight stay at hotel. Day 2, visit the Ubud village and Kintamani volcano. After breakfast, start your journey towards Ubud village. First visit the Batubulan village and watch traditional Barong dance. It's an interesting dance with amazing story about fighting good and evil, also known as trance dance. You will see a lot of human-sized bird nests in Ubud which are totally free, or you have to pay some money to the bird nest owner to sit inside and click pictures. Then visit the Saraswati temple. It's a Balinese Hindu temple also known as Ubud Water Palace. Then visit the Seluk village to see the traditional gold and silver smith made by local people in the village. Then visit the Tital Empul temple, also known as Holy Spring temple, a local Hindu temple with holy spring water inside the temple. Then go to Kintamani village or Mount Batur. From here you can see the active volcano. The captivating Mount Batur surrounds 13 square kilometer Batur caldera lake. After lunch at Kintamani, visit the Tegalalang rice terrace in northern Ubud, a beautiful rice terrace in small valley. Then at last visit the Ubud monkey forest in the center of Ubud. It's a home to over 700 grey long-tailed monkeys, also known as scared monkey forest. Then overnight stay at hotel. Day 3. Today you have a lot of things to do in your bucket. Along with dolphin watching, you can also cover few famous sightseeing. Today you have to start early morning by 4 am. Reach Lavina beach and enjoy dolphin watching by boat ride for 2 hours. Then visit the Banyumala waterfall, a beautiful hidden waterfall in North Bali. Then visit the Wanagiri hidden hill. It's a popular selfie place in north side of Bali, which is a beautiful hill where you can see the amazing view of Tamlingan lake. Then visit the Handara gate, a beautiful gate with Balinese design and good background. Then you can complete your lunch with Indonesian food, and after that visit the Ulundanu Beratan temple, a Hindu temple in the lake of Beratan in Bedugul. Then back to hotel and overnight stay at hotel. Day 4. Day 4 is for water sports in Bali. The water sports includes banana boat, flying fish, Bali glass bottom board, surfing, scuba diving, stand-up paddle boarding and Bali Turtle Island tour. You can choose water sports as per your choice. And this is the cost and duration for water sports in the screen. Then after lunch visit the Tamanayun temple. It's a beautiful temple set in a big fish pond and enjoy the beautiful view surrounded the temple. Then go to Tanah temple, a beautiful temple located on the beach in the small rock. The temple is most visited by tourists for a spectacular view of sunset. Then back to hotel and overnight stay at hotel. Day 5. On day 5 visit Nusa Penida Island. It's the west side of Bali. The island is located outside Bali. Start at early morning by 7 am and reach Sanur port. Then by speedboat reach Nusa Penida. It will take 45 minutes to reach the island. Then start your tour by visiting Angel Billabong beach. It's a beautiful natural pool in the rock beside the beach. Then visit the Broken beach with breathtaking view of beach and the land. Then go to Kelingking beach, a beautiful beach with a rock shapes like dinosaurs. Then complete your lunch with Indonesian food and visit the Crystal beach, which is a beautiful beach with water like crystal. Then again by speedboat back to Sanur port and then back to hotel and overnight stay at hotel. On day 6 start for Lempuyang tour. It's also known as Heaven tour. Here you will know about tourism site in Eastern Bali Island. First visit the Lempuyang temple to see the amazing view of Gate of Heaven. You can take picture in this gate with background Mount Agung. Then visit Tita Ganja Water Palace. The palace is decorated with garden, crystal clear pool, natural ponds, bathing pools, fountains, stone carvings and lot more. After lunch visit the Ujung Water Palace. The palace is replete with historical structures and 3 gigantic pools. Then visit the Virgin Beach. Lay down and relax in a sun deck with a hat and sunglasses, accompanied by fresh coconut water. By evening, visit the nearby market of Bali and purchase some souvenir if you want. This is how your entire trip will end here. Day 7 back to India from Bali. You can visit Bali in 2 ways. Either by booking a package tour from travel agencies or plan everything by your own. So now this is the cost breakup for entire tour. Hope this video is informative for you guys. We'll come back soon with next video. Stay safe, wear mask.